Hi. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning to everyone. Maybe I will be when she be I say action on the power, action in duration ya bro. When she hi. Say yes, we $1 electricals. Yes, and so you better. I think that I told you guys say yeah. I'll be doing some illustration or we'll be making some illustration on but just to keep you watching my channel. Yes, so as you can see we have this illustration on board, and this beginners wiring hood illustration. Sunny Beya Obiaha only should be known so no like also better as I will mix the two languages. Okay, yes, so as you can see we have beginners wiring illustration. Yeah, this is our pole, this is our breaker, and as you can see it's double pole. Yes, this is our electrical meter, and as you can see it has the line, neutral, and then hot, the line. And this is our distribution board. Yes, the distribution board or the main switch. This is the ground or the earth. So this is our earth wire to the terminal or the insulator. Yes, and this is our socket. This the socket. And as you can see, this is the switch, and this is the the lamp holder. Yes. So, share a corner your father, damn wiring. As I said already, this is the pole, and pole in breaker and the meter, and then the distribution board. So, I book connected from the pole, that's the main line or the hot line from pole to the breaker. Yes, and then the neutral tool from the pole to the hot to the breaker. Yes, until the reason why we are using this breaker is that if there is any fault from the pole, this breaker could cut it down or could cut the power down so that it won't get to the meter or to the house. Yes, that's why we are using this breaker. And as you can see, this is the you can use the 32 amps, 63, and then the 62 watt amps. Yes, you can use any of them. But it depends on the power coming from the pole. Yes. So yes, sir. We've connected the neutral from the breaker to the meter, and also the live wire from the breaker to the meter. Yes, we are not done with it. And you're connected from meter to the distribution board, and why not straight from the breaker to the distribution board? This is because able to read the current flows. Yes, this meter helps to read the current flow. It helps to read the current flow. Yes, so once you connected from the meter to the distribution board, the flows will read here. So as you can see, we have something like km, maybe 222. We also have something like km 331. It reads the current that flowing. Yes, so that so that we can know the bills there. Yeah, so as you can see, we've connected from the meter to the distribution board, and also the live wire from the meter to the distribution board. Yes, so this double pole here, this double breaker here has linked to the terminal or the insulation here. So this is our neutral, this is our neutral insulator, this is our earth insulator, and also this is the single breakers. This is the single the breakers. Yes, so we are to connect from the single breaker to the socket, but rather not straight from the meter to the socket. No, if there is any fault, it can affect here. So immediately you connect from the meter to the distribution board and there is any fault, the distribution board can cut it down. Yes, it can cut it down. So as you can see from here, from the meter to the distribution board, from the distribution board to the socket, and also we have our switch here. So from the distribution board to the switch, and also this is our neutral line from the distribution board to the holder. Yes, so this is our illustration.